Are you thinking about starting fresh or saying goodbye to your old YouTube channel? In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to permanently delete your YouTube channel step by step so you can do it confidently without missing a single detail. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really supports the channel. Now, let's get right into it. First, make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube account, the one linked to the channel you want to delete. To check that, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, you'll see which channel you're currently using. If it's not the one you want to delete, click on Switch Account and select the correct one. Once that's done, go to YouTube Studio. You can find it by clicking your profile picture again and selecting YouTube Studio. Inside YouTube Studio, look to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. When the Settings menu appears, click on Channel, then go to the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll all the way down until you find Remove YouTube Content under the Other Settings section. Click that option. It will take you to a new page where you may need to sign in again to confirm it's really you. Now you'll see two options. I want to hide my content and I want to permanently delete my content. Since we're deleting the channel, choose the second option. You'll see a list of what will be permanently deleted. Things like videos, playlists, comments, and your entire channel history. Make sure you understand that once deleted, this data cannot be recovered. After you're sure, check the confirmation boxes. Click Delete My Content and type in your channel name to finalize the deletion. Once you confirm, YouTube will begin removing your channel and all its data. This process may take a few minutes or in some cases up to a few days. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is now permanently deleted. If this guide helped you, please take a second to like this video and subscribe for more quick, easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.